Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix AirPods Pro beeping after getting wet, water damage cleanup and drying guide. Day fix 1. Dry the AirPods immediately. Remove the AirPods from your ears or charging case, then wipe the AirPod and charging case with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth. Then gently shake each AirPod with the speaker facing downward to help remove trapped water. Leave the AirPod in a dry, well-ventilated place for at least 24 hours. Second one is dry the charging case. Open the charging case lid, then turn the case upside down to let your water drain out. Leave the case open in a dry place for 24 to 48 hours, then do not charge the case until it is completely dry. Third one is remove moisture with silica gel. Place the AirPods and the open charging case in a sealed container, then add several silica gel packets around them. Leave everything in the container for 22 to 48 hours. Then take them out and check if beeping has stopped. Fourth one is check for damage. Inspect the AirPods and charging case for signs of corrosion, decolorization, or moisture. So test each AirPod separately to identify if only one is affected. If the beeping continues after drying and resetting, the internal component may be damaged. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for an inspection on repair. Thanks for watching.